What's up, everybody? It's D Money from I'llQuitMyJob.com. So today I'm going to show you a quick way to pull some lists to actually get you a nice list that you can actually skip trace and get you some leads in, man, so you can start making some calls and actually closing some deals. So now I use realeflow, but you can use this list with ListSource or any other providers that they have out there. This is just the criteria, I'm sorry, that you're going to use, and then you're going to go from there and actually make some cold calls. So let's get into it. All right, so like I said before, I use realeflow. Um, it's just a software that I use. It's a lot of other people use Podio and stuff like that, and which is everything is good, but I like realeflow because they actually $99 a month, and you actually can pull your list straight from realeflow, and actually have some other tools that's all into one, and I don't have to go through outside sources to get them. So, and they have different plans. Let me see if I can pull up the pricing right quick. Uh, See, you can start off with 30-day trial, so you can try it off for 30 days, see if you like it. If not, and cancel now. Now they have the $49 plan. I never used this one because this is what you see. This one is unlimited nationwide and 10 users. So I have an assistant that works with me that's on the plan with me, and so she helps me out with some of the stuff. And just so if you have a team, you can use the 149 a month if you're a bigger investor, and actually use that. So there's some stuff that comes with it. Now, you'll see the differences. Now, this one is 49 a month if you're on a budget. Start out. But remember, it's free for 30 days. So, but these are all of the leads that you can pull. Absentee owner, free and clear, high quality, low equity leads. I mean, high equity. I'm sorry. I'm tongue twisted today. Upside down leads, cash buyer leads, private lender leads. You got the direct mail engine. And this is just a side by side for them too. Uh, One private leader generation postcard, four buyer lead generation postcards, 22 seller generated postcard leads, uh, stationary letters, four professional brochures, and see, and you just side by side, one seller, five seller buyer lead generation websites. So you could put up 5 sites in a matter of time. That'll be another video. I can show y'all how quick it is with that. Um, and all the tools. Phone, email, voice broadcast, email, auto assigners is already pre-built. And then this for some extra stuff. This a regular CRM is just a customer relations manager. Your storage, your property database, and all that stuff doesn't come with the $50 dollars. You see the paperless office, power matching, which is real key because the people that's within the system, you can just match the property to them, and if they are looking for that property, you can actually just send the property to somebody in realeflow and actually get it sold, and the seller scripts and stuff like that. But that's not what we're here for today. I'm just showing y'all the different prices and how it works. So all right, let's go to actually pulling some lists. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll go to lead pipes, you'll go to property leads, probate leads you got to pay for, that's extra. Okay, so over here, move this up. Over here, you're just gonna build a simple absentee list. All right, so you want to go absentee owner, you want to click on it, and they give you a little information here. How to identify the tax mailing address of the property owner is different than the subject property address. Okay, so let's say you want to target a certain area, right? All right, so wherever town that you're in, and this is for all over the United States. That's the good thing I like about realeflow. You can pull a list from all over the United States. So Uh, let's just put in a different zip code. Let's see, 70128. That's here. I'm here in New Orleans, so that's a zip code. Air Force. Okay, so here, let me see if I can. Let me put this down at the bottom. All right, so here we got 6,001 results and 70128, right? Now, what you want to do is you want to pull an advanced search. Now, what you want to look for is you can actually pull just multifamily or you can pull single family. Uh, what I advise is pulling different lists. So if you're going to do single family, pull single family all together and then pull absentee all together. And you can run those different types of language against each list. You know, so but that's in another video. So for right now, I'm gonna pull a single. I'm gonna pull absentee owner, out of state, and in state. It doesn't really matter. You can pull both. It just depends on where you at. Individual. I don't want any businesses, financial, the government, any trust, and nothing like that right now. That's later on down the line. So I'm only looking for single family at the moment. No land, no mobile home, stuff like that. All right, so year built. You want to put, you can just put in, let's see. All right, year built, you just put in 1900 to, you want to put into nothing built within the last couple years. So let's just go for right now. Let's just say 2000, uh, 2000, I'm sorry. Because that'll actually give it 19 years that it was built from uh, the year 2000. All right, so last sale date. Let's see. You want to put in custom. Now, I learned this from my guy Sean Terry. This is the actual criteria that I learned in his class. So I'm just basically copying the same thing that he told us to do. So you want to go back to the last sale date. You just put in 12 1 and you go back to 1965 and you can play with that number with different numbers and stuff like that. And you want to go with at least no less than 10 years from the last sale date. So it's 2019 now. So you don't want nothing under 2009. I mean, nothing over 2009. So hold up. And this should be one. I'm sorry, y'all. It should be one. That could stay that. That doesn't matter. One, 2009. And the reason why, because that gives it actual, sometimes to actually put some actual equity into the home. So you're getting some with some equity, and they're not just paying on down interest. So loan to value, I don't really worry about that. You can save this description so you don't have to keep putting it in, and you can use it over and over again. Uh, this I don't really worry about the bedrooms, bathroom. I just let them pull up what they have. But if you want to get that critical, you can. You can go by square feet and everything. You can pull the bedrooms, bathrooms. This service lets you do anything. Last sale price. Sometimes I mess with this, sometimes I don't. But that's up to you. You just probably just let them pull what they come up with. But if you're getting real strict on what you want, what you're looking for, you could put these filters in as well. So remember we went from almost 6,000 actual results to boom, 128 and a 70128. Now this is a more targeted list. So I'm gonna click into the list and show y'all. Look, upside down 2005. Let's click on it. All right. This is the actual owner name. This is the mailing address. This is the property address. All right, let's see. We go down and see the loans on it. What's the all right? So this shows the market value of the home. This actually shows what actually what it could be worth right now in tip-top condition. Let's see, and let's see here. Sale price was 225,000. Warranty deed. Here's the lender, Decision One Mortgage Company. Here's the buyer. Here's the sellers, 44 Builders LLC. They got a loan for 180 for 2005. So that's how long they've been having us, 2019. So you can send this person a letter, and say you now in here you can just click add to my leads. I'm gonna show y'all, and boom, now you got it to your leads. So boom, go back to your search, and you can do it individually and add houses like this, or you could just hit select all, and then you can put all of these into a spreadsheet. And let me show you how easy it is. All right, so if you want to do a mailing campaign, you'll hit mailing campaign here. If not, you can export the leads here. Show y'all. And look, this how sweet this is. You can use a Facebook custom audience and actually hit them on Facebook. Generate my leads, export. Watch. Show y'all. Shouldn't take nothing but a second. Boom, voila. Let's open them up. It's so sweet, y'all, because they set it all up for you. They put it in the Excel spreadsheet for you. Gotta love that. I don't need that. Show y'all. I'm just gonna pull it up for y'all real quick so y'all can see how it looks. And this just beats some of the time out, man. Now you can do this manually. You don't have to do this. If you have Microsoft Excel, you can do this. You can do this as well. And it won't take it will take longer, but this is just an easy way. And you got everything here. Now you can some of this stuff you don't need in here exactly, and you could just tailor it to how you want it. And this is all the properties right here. This is all the properties already right here. You can open it up, and you'll see this the owner name, and you can see the property address and the mailing address. And then you'll just send this to something like batchskiptracing.com. They got a lot of those people out there that you can get the phone numbers, and you can use one of the codes. A lot of people use the TTP. I'll link with Brent Daniels down below. That's the TTP guy. He's dropped a lot of knowledge on his channel. I'll leave a link to his channel below too. He's a cold calling guy, and he gives out great value. Man, I learned a lot from his channel. So yeah, man, this is what you do, and you actually just send it out, man, and make some calls. So that's just you can use that actual criteria with list source as well, and to pull your leads. But this will give you more of a targeted list to actually pull some owners and actually get some quality leads in. So this is real good, real full. Like I said, use it with list source, use it with any other individual companies, and start making some calls, man. All right, so this is D Money from I'llQuitMyJob.com. If this video provided any value to you, make sure you give me a like. Comment below and let me know, man, what list that y'all using. If y'all got another alternative source that you use besides list source, let me know. I'd love to link it into the video and make a video on it and see if it actually works within my area, So let me know. I'm learning as well too. I learn different ways every day. So remember, like, comment, and subscribe below. This is D Money from I'llQuitMyJob.com.